Good morning, students. We were doing chapter number 1, that is solid state, and the today's topic is unit cell. We have discussed earlier also unit cell, like we are taking an example of building. In building, a brick is to be considered as a unit cell. Unit cell, what is unit cell? Smallest portion of a crystal lattice, which when repeated, like we repeat brick, we get a building. Same, we repeat unit cell, we get a crystal lattice. So, smallest portion of a crystal lattice, which when repeated in different directions, generates the entire lattice. A unit cell is characterized by number 1, three edges A, B, C and interfacial angles alpha, beta and gamma. I will explain you about the types of unit cell. Unit cell, number 1, primitive unit cell. When the particles are present only at the corners, like I am drawing, this is a unit cell. If particles are present only at the corners, so this is known as primitive unit cell. And the second type is centered unit cell. These have three types. When particles are present at the corners, as well as number 1 is face centered. Face centered. This is face centered cubic. If we take example of body centered, then this is a unit cell. Particles at the corners and then at the body center. In ant center, one constituent particle is present at the center and other one is any two opposite faces besides at the corners. uh, Other atoms are at the corners. Depending on these conditions, we have seven primitive types of primitive unit cell. We have seven type of crystal system. This is only a part of learning. I will be sending you the notes also. Cubic, axis A equal to B equal to C, angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, Bevis lattice, primitive, face center, BCC, body center, and these are examples. Same tetragonal, then rhombic, then hexagonal, then rhombohedral, then monoclinic, and then triclinic. I have I have drawn a picture of unit cell. Let us consider this is a unit cell. These are the edges A, B and C, and these are the interfacial angle alpha, beta and gamma. Now I will explain you about the geometry of a cube. You all know, let us consider example of a room. You are sitting in a room. Number of corners 8. Number of faces 6. 4 walls, 4 faces, floor and ceiling 2 faces. So total number of faces is equal to 6. Number of edges, like I have taken example of this cube. This is an edge, 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 this is an edge. So total number of edges is equal to 12. Number of cube center will be only 1. Number of face diagonals, total number of faces is equal to 6 and each face has a diagonal, so total number of diagonal equal to 12. Contribution of an atom at different side of a cube. Let us take first corners. A corner of a cube is common in 8 cubes. Like you are sitting in a room. A corner is shared by how many walls? 8 walls. 4 walls of the downward and 4 of the above one. Then how many, what is the contribution? 8 into 1 by 8. That will be equal to 1. If we take a face center will be shared by only 2 walls. How many faces? 6. 6 into 1 by 2, 3. So a face is common in 2 cubes, like one atom and at face is shared by 2 walls. So contribution equal to 3. Then an edge of cube is common in 4 cubes. Total edges we have 12. Contribution 12 by 4 equal to 3. Then center of cube is not common or shared. You know center is only shared by that cube only. The contribution will be only 1. I will explain primitive or simple cubic, face centered or body centered in detail. Primitive or you can say simple cubic. If atoms are present only at the corners, then that cube is known as primitive unit cell. Then we have explained earlier also, 8 into 1 by 8 contribution will be 1 atom. Then face center. Atoms are present at the corners as well as the center of each face. Total faces 8 corners and 6 lattice points. Total points, how many points? 14. 8 corners and 6 faces. Contribution will be number of atom per unit cell in FCC. 8 into 1 by 8 by the corners and 6 into 1 by 2 by the faces. So total atoms, how many atoms in FCC? 4 atoms. Now we will calculate atoms in BCC. Each corner atom shares 1 by 8 into 8 and body center 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. What is body center? 1 atom is present at the center of the cube and 8 atoms are present at the corner. So how many lattice points? 9 lattice points. Now questions related to this topic. In a cubic solid, atoms A are present at the corners and atoms B at the center of edge. What is the simple formula of solid? Number of A's atom per unit cell. A atom are present at the corners, so contribution will be 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 1A. Number of B's per unit cell. How many edges? 12 edges, and contribution is 1 by 4, 3B. So formula will be A, B, 3. In a cubic solid, atoms A are at the corners and atoms B present at the center of an alternate face. What is the formula of solid? Number of A's per unit cell 1 by 8 into 8, 1A. Number of B's per unit cell 1 by 2 into 2, 1B. How many alternate faces in a cube? Only 2. So contribution will be 2 into 1 by 2, 1B. Formula will be AB. Thank you.